How to teleport to end portal in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is just simply click on the chat tool or open your chat tool right here. And now what you need to type in is /locate structure. Then type in stronghold just like so. Click on enter and this will pop up. So the nearest stronghold is right there. You could simply click on that coordinates to teleport. So it will pop up right here. You could also type it in if you can't click it, or if you're on a phone and you can't click it. Just type in /TPS126 and add the Y coordinate. You could check the Y coordinate on F3 on your keyboard and open it and check your Y coordinate. Once that's done, just simply click on enter and it will basically TP you to the stronghold right here. And if you don't see it, what you can do is just simply borrow down till you see the stronghold, because it's basically right here. So we're just gonna find it. And now after some digging around, I have finally reached the stronghold. Now we're just gonna check where the end portal is actually located at. So now we're just basically finding it right here. So where it might be. So it came from there. Opens, and as you can see right here, the end portal is just right here. So it's gonna put some torches around to actually see the place, and this is basically the end portal. And what you need to do is just simply put the eyes right here on the blocks to access the end portal. And that's how you basically teleport to the end portal in Minecraft.